Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're going to talk about the Avalon Towels Cotton Shop Rags, the best green shop towels for all your cleaning needs. Whether you're working in an auto shop, a home garage, or even tackling general cleaning tasks at home, these towels are a game changer. Let's dive right in. The Avalon Towels Cotton Shop Rags come in a pack of 100, each towel measuring 12 by 14 inches. Made from 100% cotton, these towels are highly absorbent, making them perfect for wiping down machinery, cleaning up spills, or even working with automotive maintenance. The green color is not only practical, as it hides dirt and grime, but it also gives the towels a professional look that's ideal for industrial and home use alike. What sets these shop towels apart is their premium quality. Unlike other towels, these are durable and reusable, which means you're not constantly buying new paper towels or cleaning rags. Over time, that adds up to big savings. These towels are easy to wash. Simply wash them with cold water separately to reduce lint and prevent color mixing. And remember, avoid using bleach. But that's not all. These towels are incredibly versatile. You can use them in automotive shops for cleaning car parts or dashboards, or use them at home for general cleaning tasks. They're also great for industries like construction or garages where tough, durable towels are a must. You can even use them during oil changes or when cleaning heavy mechanical equipment like generators. One of the biggest benefits of these Avalon towels is their cost efficiency. These towels provide an endless supply of reusable cleaning rags, which can save you money in the long run. Whether you're cleaning spills, wiping down surfaces, or just need a reliable towel for general tasks, these towels have you covered. And let's talk about sustainability. By replacing disposable paper towels with these reusable cotton shop rags, you're not only saving money, but you're also reducing waste and contributing to a greener planet. If you're tired of constantly buying new paper towels and want a reliable, sustainable, and cost-effective solution for your cleaning needs, the Avalon Towels Cotton Shop Rags are the best choice for you. Make sure to check them out and start making your cleaning routine more efficient and eco-friendly today. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.